Hello car enthusiasts. Today we will examine an exciting car, BMW M2. Every detail of this magnificent vehicle represents an excellent combination of elegance and performance. Let's take a depth of the wonderful design and strong performance of the BMW M2. Pre-design. The BMW M2 has a sporty and aggressive front design. The front grille is characterized by large and rectangular air intakes. These air intakes not only provide visual impressiveness, but also designed to improve the cooling of the engine and aerodynamic performance. The grille has a black-colored dual-rod design specific to the BMW's M series and proudly carries the M2 logo underneath. The headlights have thin and sharp lines and are equipped with modern LED lighting. Especially in the M2 competition model, headlights have a more remarkable design. This makes this car more impressive not only in night driving, but also during the day. Side profile. The subsidiary of the BMW M2 is eye-catching with its compact dimensions and aggressive details. Large fenders encompasses large alloy wheels, and this emphasizes the sporty character of the car. The wheels are not only visually stylish, but also made of light alloy material and are specially designed to improve performance. The M2 logos on the doors have the special identity of the car. The rear design of the BMW M2 offers a dynamic and sporty look. A great winding is specially designed to increase aerodynamic performance and improve its handling. The rear bumper is usually equipped with a diffuser and 4 exhaust pipes. This exhaust design is not only visually impressive, but also emphasizes the performance of the car. Rear stop lamps are equipped with modern LED technology and are particularly remarkable in night driving. Color options. The BMW M2 offers many remarkable color options. Popular colors include Long Beach Blue, Hockenheim Silver, and Alpine White. However, BMW usually offers its customers special color options, which allows you to personalize the car. Aerodynamics and performance. The design of the BMW M2 is not only aesthetically important, but also aerodynamic efficiency. Especially the leading lower diffusers, winding and other details are specially designed to increase the performance of the car and optimize the handling. Each detail emphasizes the sporty character of the BMW M2 and also improves performance. Large wheel eyes, exhaust design and fine details clearly show how ambitious the car is in terms of speed and power. The BMW M2 has a powerful 3.0-liter double-turbocharged 6-cylinder engine. This engine stands out as a high-performance unit with the DNA of BMW's M series. 2 turbocharger allows the engine to produce and accelerate more power. This impressive engine produces a power that can rise to 405 horsepower starting from 365 horsepower. This offers high-speed performance, not only rapid acceleration, but also high-speed performance. The torque of the engine is also very impressive and provides a strong thrust at the time of acceleration. Only a few seconds are enough for acceleration. You can quickly reach 0 to 100 km per hour. You can also fully personalize the driving experience with different driving modes and transmission options. The BMW M2 is usually available with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. These transmission options offer drivers the driving experience they want. Automatic transmission offers fast gear changes and easy use, and the manual transmission provides a more traditional driving experience. However, remember that the BMW M2 is a car that does not focus on the fuel economy. High-performance sports cars are usually above the average fuel economy. Automatic transmission models offer a better fuel economy. The audio and exhaust system reflects the character of the BMW M2. The sound of the engine offers an exciting experience to the driver and becomes more pronounced especially in sports driving modes. It also has an exhaust note that further emphasizes the performance of the M2. Finally, the BMW M2 offers different performance modes to adapt to different driving conditions. These modes help you customize the engine's reaction, steering sensitivity, and chassis settings. For example, Sport and Sport Plus modes offer higher performance and are ideal for runway driving. BMW M2's engine, this excitement. the performance represents the essence of the sports car. A strong, fast and exciting engine offers drivers a great driving experience. The BMW M2 stands out as a speed monster for performance enthusiasts and has a special position in the automobile world. This was an in-depth examination that gave more information about the design and engine of the BMW M2. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Continue to follow us to see more car content than us. We thank you.